So I don't know which part I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do that chicken and mushrooms. So I'm just checking in with y'all, trying to see what y'all been up to. I see the views. The views been popping lately. I really appreciate the views, y'all. I hope this thing don't come off. I be turning these corners. I be hitting these corners, y'all. I be hitting them hard. I hope that oh, I'm so happy that you guys are tuning in. I am. I'm slick excited. I'll be happy. I wish y'all give me some more comments though. I missed them comments. I know I just gotta win y'all trust back. I already know what this is about, winning y'all trust back. And then for you new followers, y'all probably like, what is she doing? Who is she? You know, and I know. You know, but it's okay. I'm just happy. I'm really more happy and appreciative of the views. I'm really happy. I be excited. I be real humble about everything. I be okay, you know, and learning new tricks, new ways, and just, you know, getting back, being in the kitchen, but getting back, you know, with y'all, showing y'all what I got, what I'm twerking with now, and just, you know, I learned so much since I've been cooking, since I started my channel in 2017. And back then, it was so much different because my daughter was so young. And it was just different. Life was just a little bit much different. And it would be so hard to film sometimes, you know. And I would just try to go the quickest way. And what happened was I ended up creating a world of mothers who really needed that help, who were going through the same thing I was going through, you know. And now I'm back again on my second child, which is much different, much smoother, but it's still life. You know what I mean? You got to get in that kitchen and get back out, you know, because they ready for you. They looking for you. They on a mission. They young. They babies, you know? So this time around is much different because I have so much experience now in the kitchen than I had before. Plus, I'm able to incorporate that speed, that flavor, the budget, the whole, you know, the whole deal into the kitchen and make it to where I try my best to make it to where you're not just throwing stuff together and, okay, eat this, you know, because I grew up, you know, I grew up pretty poor. So we had to eat. And, you know, some nights we had some good stuff. Either way, I just try to figure out how to even make some of those other meals just as good, you know, just put a little twist on there, just a little bit more on there, give it that and just try to figure out how to just on everything, put the on it, you know what I mean, the on it, because as a mother in the kitchen, a parent in the kitchen, it ain't no joke. It ain't no joke. Them kids be ready to eat, and then you can get it done before they get out of school. Sometimes it ain't always like that. Sometimes you ain't got time. You getting off when they getting off, you know. So that's my main thing. Like whenever I go too hard, because I can really get down and go all over the board, but that's not really my angle. But I will incorporate some of those here and there and try my best to make it easy for people to understand it. Because I know a lot of people on my Facebook groups and a lot of my other social medias, which is GIGI, well, GIIGIIMAGIC or MAGIQ. One or the other, or probably both, knowing me. They don't know. No, a lot of women, a lot of men, they don't know how to cook. And and that's where I got that from. That idea, I came with the idea, saying, let me try to cook some meals to where people can feel like they doing, you know, give them a little, put some fancy in their life. And it's the same simple meal, but just put a little fancy on it and make them happy. Because a good meal makes you happy. It makes everyone in the house happy. I believe it. It makes everybody happy. A good meal, it makes me happy at night. And a pretty meal, you know, you played it real nice, and it might be the same beans and rice, played it different, you know. They'll love it. The kids be like, oh, that look good, and zigzag the ketchup on top, you know, happy face it. Just find ways, slap a little cheese on there, not too much, but a little, you know, give them something to work with. And it could be that same beans and rice and pork chop, or beans and rice with some meat up in there, or pork, the pork and beans with the hot dogs in there. You know, I try to find ways to jazz it up, because these kids, you know, they get a little bougie these days. They be wanting the best. They sure do. So That's where I'm at with my cooking. I just want you guys to understand what angle I'm coming in at. You know, I try to come in at a real humble, wholesome angle for people to try to interpret it, for you to understand in your kitchen on how you're going to cook your food. Because some people look at a pack of meat and some rice, be like, I ain't got nothing to eat. Why you don't? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You got to just jazz that baby on up. I ain't got no cream of chicken. I got flour. Oh, that's gravy. I ain't got no gravy pack. You don't need no gravy pack. I need that flour. That flour, a bag of flour get you further than that cream of chicken. I'm sorry, I'm looking for my daughter. A bag of flour would get you much farther than cream of chicken. A bag of flour gets you much farther than those gravy packets. Might even save you down a couple of notches on the salt. You know, your basics. When you buy food, because I know we're going through tough times with food, make sure you get stuff that lasts long. Get cabbage. Cabbage lasts longer than a lot of vegetables. Make sure you get rice, a lot of rice. For the people who can't eat rice, get you an alternative for that. But for the people who can, get you some rice, rice, any kind of rice, plenty of beans, and big pieces of meat. You know, get you some meat. And if you can't, you know, and your regular stuff, always had that on the side. So when all else fails, my mom always tell me, you pull them beans and rice out and do a piece of meat. You can barbecue the chicken. You can do so much with beans and rice and meat. And that's honest. You can do so much. Even a bag of noodles, keep a couple of bags of noodles, especially towards the winter times. You can make soup. You can make dumplings. You can just do so much. You know what I mean? You just try to find some of the cheapest things in the restaurant, in the market, and you buy a bulk of it. If you see like they got a big deal on cans of biscuits for 50 cents, buy them. Buy them. Go in and put them in the cup somewhere. A can of biscuits go a long way. Hey, there you go, my baby. Come on. And you just gotta get real. You just gotta be, you know, smart in the kitchen. Every day ain't gonna be pizza day. Them kids gotta understand it. Oh yeah, you feeling me? Yeah. Hey. Put your seatbelt on, honey.
She looks so cute.
Put your seatbelt on.
She looks so cute.
Mm-hmm. Both of you guys got pink on today.
Oh,
yeah, so you just try to go whatever you can get a hold to.
Yes, you do.
And
you look so cute. Yes, you do. You look
yeah, you just try to, you know, that's what I try to do. I just try to incorporate a way for the people who cannot cook. The people who can cook, stay tuned. You can watch. You may even learn some tips. I'm fine with it all. But I always try to encourage people to know that on my channel, that's what it's about. It's trying to figure out how to cook, period. You got people who don't know how to even cook, period. Don't even know how to even, where to start. Would love to have a lobster boil. Would love to have a lot of things. And that's where it's at with it. So I just wanted to kind of just let that be known. Because like I always tell people, none of us, a lot of us on YouTube, we just, you know, we just learn it, showing you guys what we, you know in the kitchen, you know. A lot of us are not experts. We're just parents and people in life who just want a nice meal and cook something and want to show you guys our way of doing it. So, you know, just try to be nice, because I watch a lot of cooking videos from other people and I see you guys in their comments just dogging them out. And I'm like, it's not that deep. If you don't like it, just go on to the next, you know, or kindly tell a person. You don't have to be so stank. So, yeah, so far as that, I'm definitely fixing to whip this chicken up. That's that. So now let's talk about this chicken and mushrooms. I don't know what this man. What? Okay, see, I don't like driving near people who cars be towed. Ooh, the back been hit, the side, one of the sides been hit, and the front been hit, and she's smashing. All the windows down. It's not hot, but it's hot. You could tell. I wouldn't want to be near her. I would not want to be near her. And then I'm going to the stop sign, y'all. About to be right on the side of her. She wig wobbling and zigzagging. Oh, I hate driving against people who don't care about their car because they don't care about yours. They don't. They don't care about yours. Let me get behind her. That's the best way to do it, because you can do all that in front of me, not in back of me and not on the side. So how was your day at school?
Good.
It was?
Uh-huh.
Okay. That's good. Where's your jacket?
It's in my backpack, I think.
And you think, huh? Oh, that's how you feel. You just don't know what. And her gas thing is open. It probably don't even close. Ooh. She a hot mess. She is a hot mess. She young too. I remember when I was that age, 19, 20, somewhere around there. I had you ain't gotta do 80 behind. Why y'all going so fast on this little road? It's school zone. We trying to get home with the kids. We ain't thugging right now until we drop the kids off. And you swerving too. Where y'all coming from? Happy hour? Y'all acting a little swervy today. They gave out some checks that we don't know about. Let me know. So anyways, y'all, I just wanted y'all to come ride with me to go pick up my daughter and chat with me for a minute. Thank you for checking on in, coming on in. You know, and once again, thank y'all. I for real mean that. Come on, hurry up, Honda. Hurry up. I don't want to be near her no more. I'm gonna stop at this stop sign completely. You know, sometimes you slow down and do it. No, I'll stop completely. I want to give her time to shine. Go on, girl. Go, gadget. Ooh, she going fast. She doing about 60. She going fast. Here go another one. Ooh, I hate when they get on the side of me. Maybe he chasing after her. Ooh, what if he is? He look like he could be a dad and she could be the daughter. He driving fast, y'all. And that light yellow. It's going yellow. You see it, honey? He's on one. Oh, yeah.
When it's yellow, you have to go slow.
That's right. He ain't even trying to go slow. And both of them at the light now. Oh, he made a left, though. He about to make a left. She gonna keep straight. I'm gonna get him away from both of them. I'm gonna get back on this side. Just kind of. Yeah. Ooh, you turning right? So now I'm about to go right on the side of her ass. Fuck. I don't even want to look in her car. Oh, her car is so potent. It's a new car, y'all. It's so new. It's new enough. Look, she gonna blow her transmission out fast. She just putting the pedal to the metal, immediately jumping to 40 in seconds. She's moving fast. So I really thank y'all for the support. I'm for real, y'all. I really thank y'all for the support. I know somebody in the comments wanted me to do a dish. I have to go back and check which one it was. I think I screenshot it, so I'm gonna go back and check and see which one it is, and hopefully I can get it done this week. It's really cool right now, so I'm liking on that. So I'm able to get more dishes done than just air frying y'all to death, because it got really hot where I'm at. It was hitting. It had got hit. It was bad. We've been having a couple of little storms lately. Been a little bit water here, a little water there. What's that? Give that back to her. Put it back in there. Put it back. Yeah, but matter of fact, give it here, because your hands ain't even clean. You've been to touch that, put some school juice, cooties on there.
School hands.
Them school hands, that's what I call it, yep. Them school hands. You gotta go wash your hands. Don't be touching up in her face. You just got in the car. You probably been touching on all kinds of stuff. All kinds. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get in this kitchen and I'm gonna go on here. Why everybody drive so fast? His eyes got rings around it. What's wrong with these people today? They giving out free drugs somewhere? Or Biden style downtown? What's going on? They giving out boulders? Is this boulder day? Everybody look like they on one. So yeah, I'm gonna get in this kitchen and I'm gonna try to meet y'all in there. Hopefully I can get the film if I can get it done. Okay, I'm gonna try to get my film on. I don't know if I want to do red wine or I'm gonna just do like a Chardonnay or white. A white or red wine. I don't know which one. The red wine be giving me gas. It do. Oh, I love this lighting. It is so pretty. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm definitely gonna have me a sip of wine today. I ain't had no wine. I haven't had anything to drink in about a few days. And I'm gonna get in the kitchen and vibe with y'all. I be eating my little wine. Y'all like this wig? It was number one of them long curly wigs. I just chopped them up because it was too long. And it didn't be getting nappy. Don't y'all hate when it get nappy at the bottom? Say hi. This is Annie, you guys. She got big, huh? You using me for my chapstick. I thought you loved me. You using me for my chapstick.
No,
Buy lip gloss. Say lip gloss.
lip gloss.
When she was younger, she said, I won't put me some lip gloss. You want
Oh,
lip
look,
gloss?
you can see someone walking like that.
Well, as long as he ain't coming in our yard, I don't care which way he walk. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get these girls up in here and get them settled. And I'm going to meet y'all in the kitchen, okay?
No.
Say, see y'all in the kitchen.
No, not see y'all in the kitchen. I
Bye.
want. No.